Hey guys, I'm here with Michael Thorne.
Yeah, nailed it, Rudy.
Right? And I want to share about, look at this cool gadget here. So let's talk about technology, leveraging technology for real estate agent, leveraging technology and video to basically how to 10x your exposure, because when you do cold calling and door knocking, that's a one-on-one interaction.
Yep. Well, you know, a lot of the things is like, if you don't, and luckily you have a phone with you all the time, but if you're not recording, you can't create the content. And I think a lot of people are like, once I think of the content, then I'll create it. Yeah. You didn't plan to have this interview with me.
Yeah, we just walked.
And so that's the thing is, if you don't have the tools to create the content, then you won't have a story to tell, right? And so when I'm doing more highly produced stuff, this is going to be a cool video for Remax that we're going to do, then I will use equipment like this because it makes a difference. But my day-to-day business is shot right here, right?
Everybody has a story. And so for us in
absolutely.
our team is this, so if he's the client, if he's selling their home, what we do is that we go to our client's home, and what's most important is to get their story. Because this is what I teach people in my team. I work for you. So when we do a story, we make you are the hero. What's your vision? Why are you buying and selling a home? And how do we help the clients to achieve their vision? So we use video just as a medium to communicate our client's story. And we are the guide.
And story is so important.
Yeah, let's talk more about that.
Like people connect with story, they remember story. A story is about emotions. It's been oldest time is a story. And so yes, your house is 2,000 square feet and it's 2 bedrooms, it's 2 bath. But what will that home provide me as a lifestyle? What is the story of those? It's not 2x4s and drywall. We're selling Christmas dinners. We're selling birthday parties in the backyard.
Yeah.
We're selling picnics. We're selling, block parties. We're selling everything that a home provides, and that's story. And that's what people connect with.
And it's not just all happy. Sometimes the story could be a separation. It could be a divorce. It could be somebody's going through some cancer. So our job as a real estate agent, our job is not to buy and sell homes. If you think you're in the business of buying and selling homes, you are not going to be successful. Our job is to help the clients to fulfill their vision, to fulfill their dreams. And all these tools, video is just a way to communicate that, right? So that's awesome. Our new friend here, Michael Thorne, all the way from which part of Canada?
I'm just outside Vancouver.
Vancouver, Canada. So when we go to Vancouver, Canada, now we have somebody to call. Just curious though, seriously, but we never met before.
No.
You said you watch, like, how do you even watch me? How do you even know?
I must be friends on Facebook with you. You come up in the feed all the time.
Are you serious?
Yeah, absolutely all the time. I see your content all the time, and that's really powerful. And that just proves like you're one of 6,000 people, and I stopped to talk to you. Not her, not him, and not him, because we had prior context.
Wow.
Right? And that's the same thing that's happening in your marketplace.
That's powerful.
There's a connection that happens through video, and here's what's remarkable about video. You are exactly the way I thought you would be right now, because I know you already.
Wow.
And that happens at scale, and I don't know what the value of that is. I'm assuming priceless.
People want to do business with people that they know, like, and they trust.
Absolutely.
And so Adam Thorne all the way here live from R4.